Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best PC cases in 2025. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The 10th PC case on our list is the Montech AIR 903 Max, priced at $89.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This thing comes preloaded with 3 140mm ARG BPWM fans at the front and one 140mm PWM fan at the rear. So yeah, airflow's handled right out of the box. It also features 21 built-in ARGB effects. If you're planning a next-gen build, this case is ready. GPU clearance is 400mm long, 190mm wide, so even those chunky RTX 4090s fit in without sweat. Plus 180mm clearance for CPU coolers and room for 360mm radiators up front or on top if you're going liquid. The 9th PC case on our list is the Fractal Design Pop Air, priced at $89.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This mid-tower case features a clear tempered glass side panel so you can flex that build. And the front panel has this sweet honeycomb mesh design. Now, right out of the box, you're getting 3 120mm aspect RGB fans. And if you're into liquid cooling, you've got radiator support for up to 280mm in the front, 240mm up top, and 120mm at the rear. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards, pretty much the full spectrum. GPU clearance is solid too, so yes, you can fit your beefy RTX 4070 Ti in here without a problem. But my favorite thing is the hidden little storage drawer. That's just adorable, not gonna lie. The 8th PC case on our list is the Corsair FRAME 4000D, priced at $94.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating, steel chassis tempered glass panel, and 3 Corsair RS120 ARGB fans included. This thing is ready to glow right out of the box. This case features Corsair's new InfiniRail fan mounting system. Instead of fixed holes, you get these slick steel tracks so you can slide your fans or radiators into the perfect spot. Up to 200mm in the front and 140mm on top. You've got triple 360mm radiator support, front, roof, and side, plus a space for up to 10 120mm fans. Hot air out, cold air in, just how we like it. One of the underrated features here is the GPU anti-sag arm. It gives your GPU extra support from underneath, keeping it level and secure. It also supports reverse connector motherboards, which is the direction builds are headed now. The 7th PC case on our list is the Phanteks Eclipse G500A, priced at $128.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This mid-tower case features a sleek modern look with ultra-fine performance mesh on the front and top, and a tempered glass side panel. With 4 M2540 fans already included, you're pretty much good to go right out of the box. But if you're serious about cooling, the case supports a 420mm radiator in the front and a 360mm radiator on the top. For storage, you've got 9 dedicated SSD locations and up to 10 HDD bays, which gives you plenty of room for all your drives. And if you've got one of those massive full-length GPUs, don't worry, this case supports that and is even designed to accommodate vertical GPU installations, allowing you to maximize your setup. The 6th PC case on our list is the NZXT H7 Flow, priced at $129.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The case features a vertical PSU layout, which is pretty unique. This layout allows for 3 120mm bottom fans, making sure you get efficient airflow without making the case bulkier. And speaking of airflow, it can support up to a 420mm radiator in the front and a 360mm radiator up top. You've got the option to install up to 10 fans in total, so there's no shortage of cooling options here. Inside, you've got plenty of room for storage with 4 internal 3.5-inch drive bays. It can accommodate a GPU up to 400 millimeters, which is great news if you're rocking a monster card like the RTX 4090. The fifth PC case on our list is the Phanteks NV5 MK2, priced at $131.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. The first thing you'll notice is the seamless tempered glass design. It's stunning. It gives you a crystal clear view of your entire build from every angle. It supports up to 8 120mm fans with dedicated spots for bottom cooling that help boost airflow directly to your GPU. Plus, it's ready for dual 360mm radiators, one on the top and one on the side, allowing for advanced water cooling setups. The case is wider to fit larger GPUs and gives you room for 12-volt high-powered cables, which is a must if you're rocking something like an RTX 4090. I love the rear connect motherboard support, which makes cable management so much cleaner and gives your build that ultra-satisfying zero-cable aesthetic. The fourth PC case on our list is the Montech King 95 Pro, priced at $159.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. First off, that curved tempered glass front is gorgeous. It's strong, scratch resistant, and it's an industrial grade 4mm glass, so it's built to last. Inside, you have a space for dual PSUs, 8 hard drives, and even a beastly RTX 4090. You get over 35mm of cable routing room, and there's a clever rotatable side fan mount that lets you tweak airflow or aesthetics to your liking. For cooling, you get 6 ARGB PWM fans pre-installed and a 1 to 10 fan hub included for easy control. It supports 360mm radiators up top, 240mm on the side, and up to 175mm air coolers, giving you tons of flexibility for your build. The third PC case on our list is the Corsair iCUE 5000D, priced at $189.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. Another Corsair product makes the list, and this one is truly impressive. It comes equipped with 3 Airflow 120mm RGB Elite fans already installed. You can fit up to 1,220mm or 440mm fans, mount 360mm radiators in the front and top, and even fit a huge 420mm GPU. Plus, Corsair added a couple of extra fan spots on the PSU shroud just to blast cool air straight at your graphics card. A nice touch if you're running a beastly setup. Storage-wise, there's room for up to 4 2.5-inch SSDs and 2 3.5-inch HDDs, which is more than enough for most builds. If you want to show off your GPU, the case also supports a vertical mount. The second PC case on our list is the Fractal Design North XL, priced at $179.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. Instead of the typical all-mesh front we see everywhere, the North XL goes bold with real oak or walnut wood accents, a faux leather tab, and a sleek steel and brass details. It's basically gaming setup meets modern furniture, clean, natural, and stylish. Even though it looks like it belongs in a high-end living room, this case doesn't slack on performance. It's built to handle extended ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX boards, fits GPUs up to 413mm or 380mm with a chunky front radiator, and comes preloaded with 3 140mm aspect PWM fans. You've got support for 420mm front radiators and 360mm radiators up top, so you're set whether you're rocking air or liquid cooling. If you're looking for a case that's as much showpiece as it is workhorse, this is the one for you. The best PC case on our list is the HYTE Y70, priced at $438.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First off, just look at this beauty. Got that 3-piece panoramic glass that gives you a full view of your rig, front and center. But wait, there's more. This, my friends, is the star of the show. A 14.5-inch, 2.5K touchscreen. Yep, you heard that right. This screen delivers a crisp, smooth visual experience at 688 by 2560 resolution. It features a 5-point multi-touch interface, so you can customize everything with ease, like adjusting fan speeds, checking system temps, or controlling your lighting all in one spot. And for all the graphics card lovers out there, the Y70 supports 4 vertical GPU slots. That means you can show off your insane GPU with that vertical mount, and the 7.5 height PCIe slots let you add even more expansion cards if you need them. I particularly like the floating storage sleds with a rear eject design. It makes easy to pop in or swap out drives. And there you have it, folks. The best PC cases in 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.